there, it's Kevin with Classroom Composers, and in today's video, we're talking about how to get your beginning band students up the levels of Bloom's taxonomy so that they can understand music at a much deeper level. And we're gonna do that with the Quarter Note Companion Theory Supplement. Links down in the description, let's get into it. The Quarter Note Companion Theory Supplement is a groundbreaking resource that merges fundamental music theory concepts such as note reading and rhythm comprehension, and merges it with tailored instruction for individual instruments, with the goal of connecting music theory to what is being taught and learned in ensemble music education. The Instrument-Specific Theory Supplement offers educators a clear and organized framework that supports differentiated instruction, allowing teachers to guide students at their own pace while providing valuable reinforcement and enrichment. Available for 16 different instruments, each book includes instrument-specific exercises, practice worksheets, and assessments that fit effortlessly into any band program, private lesson, or small group instruction. By the end of the book, students will be able to identify, notate, and diagram the fingerings for 9 notes, count basic rhythms including eighth notes and rests, have an understanding of dynamics and tempo, will have a basic introduction to chromatic notes, and will be able to compose simple melodies. So if you're interested in bringing your students' skills to the next level and helping them form a deeper connection with the way that music works rather than just pressing down fingers and blowing through their instrument, we encourage you to check out the Quarter Note Companion Theory Supplement. Links in description. It's available on Teachers Pay Teachers and on JW Pepper. If you got anything of value from this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And until next time, keep teaching and keep inspiring.